Hi, scholars. It's Miss Mayfield. How are you? Today we are going to continue to talk about rhyming words. The learning goal of this lesson is students will be able to identify and produce rhyming words. Let's review. What are rhyming words? Rhyming words are words that have the same ending sounds. I'm going to say that one more time. Rhyming words are words that have the same ending sounds. For example, star and car. Star and car rhymes. They both have the same ending sounds. So when we think about the end, that's the very last sound of the word. And in car, star, the ending sound is R. Here are some rhyming words. Let's look at this group right here. Bat, cat, hat, mat, rat, sat. These words rhyme. They all have the same ending sound. These words end in at. Let's look at this second group. I am going to say each word and I want you to repeat after me. I also want you to listen to the ending sounds. Jet, net, pet, vet, wet. These words also rhyme, right? They all have the same ending sound. These words end in et. Let's look at this third group of words. Again, I am going to say the words, each word, and I want you to repeat after me. Cop, hop, mop, pop, top. These words also rhyme. They have the same ending sound. These words end in op. Let's try this last group. Again, I am going to say each word and I want you to repeat after me. I also want you to listen for the ending sound. Dig, fig, pig, wig. These words end in egg. They all have the same ending sound. So remember, friends, rhyming words are words that have the same ending sound. So all the words in the first group, they rhyme with each other. All the words in the second group rhyme with each other. All the words in this third group, they rhyme with each other. And all the words in this last group rhyme with each other. If you have a chance, you should read this story. It's called There's a Rocket in My Pocket by Dr. Seuss. This book is also full of rhyming words. If you look at the title, you notice the word rocket and pocket rhymes. They have the same ending sounds. Now let's review. We have to figure out what word rhymes. Remember, rhyming words have the same ending sound. So what word rhymes with sub? Let's look. The sub rhymes with tub. The sub rhymes with wag. The sub rhymes with fan. Remember, rhyming words have the same ending sound. So let's say it again. Sub tub. Kind of, right? Sub wag. They sound really different. Sub fan. Nope. So let's go back. Sub tub. Yes, they both have the same ending sound. So sub and tub rhymes. Let's look at this picture. This is a bag. What rhymes with bag? Bag, tag. They kind of sound alike. Bag, mug. Nope. Bag, mat. No way. Bag, tag. That rhymes. Bag and tag rhymes. Let's try this one. Rug. Rug, ham. No way. Rug, jug. Kinda. Rug, pen. No way. Let's go back to the rug and jug. They sound alike. They have the same ending sound. So therefore rug and jug rhymes. Now let's think. I want you guys to think. What rhymes with cat? What rhymes with cat? Think about it. Oh, I know one. How about bat? Cat and bat have the same ending sound. Can you think of another word that rhymes with cat? Pat. Cat, bat, and pat all have the same ending sounds. Remember, rhyming words are words that have the same ending sounds. All right, scholars, that is all for today. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.